All right, this is the Preston Eastin Welding Manipulator. We'll do a quick walk around it before we run it. Okay.
Go right into the panel maybe, as long
Yeah, I'm
as
just
you're here.
follow you now.
Yeah, show panels, it's not much to show, but we do have the reversing starter for the vertical, and that's the drive board for the horizontal rail, which we'll run in a moment. Currently wired 480 volts to this rail down here. My 480 comes in, do I still have this open? Yeah. So the 480 is hot right into this bus bar, and this feeds all four of these disconnects and my transformer for my 110 going to the drive board. 60 amp disconnect here, 330s, all with receptacles down low. Obviously the big one I guess for the welder and whatever other ancillary equipment is used. We're all good to go here. Again, my transformer here for my 110 pendant. Pretty straightforward, down, up, cross beam, on off. Cross beam forward reverse, and the cross beam speed pot right here. So that's all that, and the two cables down low. And if you're still down there with the shaft, these are the clamps for the swivel. And I think I'm pretty well, yeah, I got these open. And as you back up, in fact I think I can just do it from here probably. That's all goes pretty easy. So you kind of put this wherever we want. Whoops. Getting away from me. Here we go. And continue. Let me snug this down. It's going to drift away on me. It's good enough for now. And back around the front, you can kind of. I'll go up and down first, vertical.
I'm going to stand so I'm not shooting into the sun.
Yeah. Get up on the other side. I can bring the pendant out here too a little bit.
Yeah.
Drag this out. Not a big deal. Yeah, thing reaches 25 feet. So up right away, we got clearance. Yeah, we're free. Let's see what we got here. Kind of take this up. I think I could probably run the rail simultaneously if I wanted to, but just so you can hear them both. That's on and off.
Here, can you move in closer to the welding unit itself?
What's that? Yeah. Oh, you want to see some of this?
Yeah, I want to see while we do it.
This is not maintained. Momentary push buttons on both up and down. Steps up and down. Same way, got a little brake motor up there on the chain. So that's that. We come down a little bit more and you can kind of see the rail as it's moving. Oh, and this one here too, for what it's worth, we do have a swivel on the head here. When you get this, there's a handle up there to move it around, but that's just for this, and you can lock it down. So you just leave that there. And then the cross rail, I guess, is more important than going up and down. That's left to right. I don't know where I'm at with the micro switches, but this is going pretty slow here. I'm going to speed it up. Stop. Start, same direction. Slow it down. That was my reversing switch. I hit the wrong one. Let's try that again. Slow it down. Stop. Go the other way. Slow, going left. Speed it up again. Go a little bit faster. And I think, yeah, we can still go up and down with this thing either way. That's nice. Get it out maybe towards the middle a little bit, and right about there is good, and stop. And that's about all I got on the control here. much good to go. And I'll say as far as access movement, we've got it all there, and that's good to go. We're about done here.